Good Sunday. Well, Friday, I made a Hunt's pot roast. Pot roast Hunt style. I've already had 2 servings. It was a 3.5 pound roast, and I've got too much. And I didn't want to freeze it in slabs because I've got all this sauce too. I've got like 2.5 jars. We are freezing the leftovers. And this can be heated in the microwave, paired with mashed potatoes or put on top of rice. I slice them into relatively thin slices and breaking them up. Small bite-sized pieces. This is a silly video, freezing pot roast. If you have large containers, you could freeze the whole slices covered in sauce. Whoa. It's like 8:30 in the morning. By the way, the Hunt sauce is really good. There's practically nothing in it. There was cloves, ginger, salt and pepper. What am I missing? It's just, and the onions. The onions just melted into this sauce. It is so good. Maybe I'm gonna have excess sauce. But you wanna have enough sauce so that when you do put it over rice, you're gonna have enough sauce. I think I'm gonna put some more sauce in. More sauce is better than not enough sauce. I could eat a jar full of this. Maybe I will. My kitchen lighting. This is a very dark, rich looking sauce. Oh, that looks good. Oh. Over mashed potatoes or over rice, next to mashed potatoes. Oh. Doesn't that look good? I already ate breakfast. Holy moly, that looks good. And I can eat this for lunch as a snack. Let's freeze them. Thanks for watching.